If you are planning to start a business in Vermont, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Vermont even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether to file it yourself or use a formation service like Northwest to make the entire process hassle-free. We will cover this in more detail later in the video. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. The question is, why choose Vermont for your LLC? For one, you have asset protection and tax flexibility. That means your personal finances like your home, savings, and personal investments are generally protected from any business troubles that you may face. Okay? And then, of course, it offers a small business-friendly environment, giving you strong local business communities that support networking, collaboration, and long-term business growth. Last is, Vermont doesn't have any state franchise tax. This helps you reduce your yearly operating costs compared to states that charge annual franchise fees, because the ongoing compliance requirements are straightforward, making it easier to keep your business in good standing without excessive admin burden. First things first, you need a business name for your Vermont LLC. Your LLC name must be unique and not already in use in Vermont. It should include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or L.L.C. It should not include restricted words like bank, insurance, or university unless you have approval. Now, if you have a specific business in mind and you wanted to use that, I want you to go to the Vermont Secretary of State Business Search, type in your desired business name. If there is no matching results, that means the name is available and good to go. And if you're not ready to file it yet, you can reserve the name for a short period for a small fee. Once you've secured your LLC name, it's a good idea to secure a domain for your business right away. You can do this through hosting services like Hostinger or Namecheap. Feel free to use our affiliate links in the video description below to get started. Next is, you need to choose a registered agent. A registered agent receives all the legal documents and official mail for your LLC. They must have a physical address in Vermont, no PO boxes allowed. You can be your own registered agent provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. You could also choose someone you trust, like an individual, friend, or a family member. However, what we highly suggest is to hire a professional formation service like Northwest Registered Agent for privacy and convenience, because they will handle all of the paperwork for you. Now it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Articles of Organization. There are two ways that you can do this. Number one option is by mail, which is kind of the slower processing, because if you file it by mail, you can expect a processing time of approximately 7 to 10 business days. However, what we preferred is the online filing, which is very fast. You can often expect it around 1 business days without any additional fees. All I have to do is very simple. Go to the Vermont Secretary of State and then file your Articles of Organization by providing your LLC name, registered agent information, principal business address, management structure, and once submitted, there is going to be like a filing fee of $125. And after that, congratulations, your Vermont LLC is officially formed. Vermont doesn't require to create an operating agreement, but you should absolutely have one, because an operating agreement outlines the ownership percentage. It explains how profits and losses are handled. It defines management responsibilities. Even for single-member LLCs, this helps protect your liability status. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. When running an LLC in Vermont, staying compliant with ongoing tax and reporting rules is essential to keep your business in good standing and avoid penalties. Now, let's talk about the annual report filing. Missing this deadline can lead to late fees or even admin dissolution, so be sure to mark it on your calendar. Of course, there is no state franchise tax. This can help lower your overall tax burden. However, you should still check if your city or municipality requires local business permits or licenses, since those vary depending on your industry and location. And finally, there is the state tax registration. This could include sales tax if you sell taxable goods or services, or employer withholding tax if you have employees, because registering correctly ensures you stay compliant and avoid future issues. Now, by staying on top of these requirements, you'll keep your LLC compliant, avoid penalties, and keep your business running smoothly. That's why traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and hiring a registered agent, while it is also a good option, it can be very expensive. But what if I told you there is a better solution, like using a formation service called Northwest? Northwest Registered Agent is a company that provides business formation services in the US without hiring an attorney or a registered agent, because they guide you through all these steps to create corporations, nonprofits, especially LLC, and any other business entity in any state in the US, including Vermont. Now, the good news is, if you haven't signed up with Northwest yet, you can use our affiliate link in the video description to get started. As you can see, there are just a few simple steps we need to complete to form an LLC right away. Don't worry, this process is super simple, and let's begin with the Order tab. This is essentially the summary of what you are purchasing from Northwest. It shows the service you selected, which is LLC formation, and the state where you are forming your LLC, and of course, the total cost before payment. Now think of this as your checkout overview. The company section collects the basic details about your business. It includes the LLC name, and if you want to send a copy of any legal notices to your attorney, and of course, the business address. Now, this information is used to officially create your LLC with the state. Now, in terms of the management section, this is how you define your LLC. You can choose from a member manage, which means owners like you runs the business, or a manager manage, which means a manager that you hired runs the business for you. Now, if you are not sure what management type to choose, just click the question mark icon, because this helps you determine who has the authority to make decisions for the LLC. Now, if you want to add names of members or managers, you can do so. Don't worry, because Northwest keeps this information private. Now, if you want to add some services like tax ID, S corporation, premium mail service, you can do that. However, if you want to skip all these, you can do that if you prefer to handle them yourself. Now, the account section is where you create your Northwest online dashboard. Provide your email address, set a password, confirm login details, because once you've done that, your account lets you access state documents, receive compliance alerts, view scanned mail, and legal notices. Now, the final step where you complete your order is the payment section. You can review the credit or debit card details, the total cost, and of course, the final confirmation before submission. Because once paid, congratulations, Northwest files your LLC with the state. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Vermont, which is a straightforward process when you follow the required steps. And remember that maintaining your business is just as important as starting it. That means filing annual reports, paying applicable taxes, and keeping your business information updated with the state. Of course, staying compliant helps protect your limited liability status and keeps your company legally authorized to operate, which is generally considered affordable, fast, and manageable for most small business owners. Beyond cost, Vermont keeps compliance simple. The biggest key to success isn't just forming your LLC. It's staying organized and compliant year after year. So, if you file on time, maintain proper records, and handle taxes correctly, a Vermont LLC can be strong, flexible business structure that protects your personal assets while keeping regulatory burdens relatively low. But if you want a hassle-free process with reliable support, Northwest makes it super simple. They handle the paperwork, act as your registered agent, and keep your personal information private. While you can file your LLC yourself through the Alabama Secretary of State, using a service like Northwest saves you time, avoids mistakes, and gives you peace of mind, especially if this is your first LLC. Now, if you are ready to start, check the link in the description to get your Alabama LLC registered with Northwest today. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.